Hello, I'm Joseph Donaldson in the Department of Extension Evaluation and Staff Development at the University of Tennessee. It's my pleasure to demonstrate SUPER's Unit Operations module. Today I'll demonstrate the physical portion of Unit Operations module. This includes unit information such as location and hours, and also includes information on unit facilities. I will also demonstrate the administrative portion of unit operations. This includes civil rights questions regarding staff housing and facilities. It also includes information on grants received by the unit. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm logged in as County Extension Director in Roane County. I'll click OK. SUPER opens the physical portion that's shown here in the submenu, and physical has three tabs: unit info, on-site facilities, and help. Let's begin with the hours of operation. I'll click edit next to hours of operation. SUPER displays the Roane County Operation Hours pop-up box. I'll click add to add a day of the week. I'll use the drop down to select the correct day of the week. And I'll continue to use the drop downs to select the start time and the end time. Once I have made an entry for the day of the week, I'll click update here. I'll continue making additions by selecting day of the week, selecting the start time using the drop down, and selecting the end time again using the drop down. In the case of the Roane County office, the correct office hours are 8 a.m. to noon and then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So what I'd like to do now is to demonstrate how to include an operating hour when you're closed for lunch. Click Edit, and these entries can be edited or deleted at any time. I'll click Edit. The Monday start time will be 8 a.m. The end time will be 12 p.m. I'll click Update. Next, I'll select Monday as a day of the week, make the start time 1 p.m., the end time 5 p.m., and click Update. I'll click Add. I'll select Tuesday. I will select the start time of 8 a.m., the end time of noon. I'll click Update to save the entry. Again, I'll click Add. I'll select Tuesday from the drop down. The start time will be 1 p.m. and the end time for this entry will be 5 p.m. I'll click Update. I'll click Save Changes, and this is how hours of operation are entered. I could continue to enter the whole week just as I had demonstrated by clicking Edit, Add, and Update. Now I'll show you how to enter information regarding the location. But first, let me show you what the location information looks like in Profile, just as a reminder. I'll click Profile and select Roane County from the drop-down. If I view the full profile, for any of the personnel in Roane County. Notice that office address is not available because only the mailing address is available from IRIS, and Super imports data from IRIS, but the office address is not part of that import because it is not in IRIS. So we'll use the Unit Operations module, and then I'll show you how the Unit Operations module will populate office address for all of the personnel in the county office. Let's go back to Unit Operations module by clicking Operation. I'll click OK for Roane County. I'll click Edit Location. Now I'll click in each text box and enter the appropriate information. I'll start with phone. I'll click Tab to move from one text box to the next. Next, for the directions, this is labeled How to Find. I have copied and pasted the directions. You can copy and paste from Word or WordPerfect. In my case, I copied and pasted from the Roane County website. Enter the unit website. Enter the unit email if you have a unit email, and then click Save. Notice that Super saves the information. One long-term project for Super will be feeding information that you enter in Super into your county website so that you only enter that information one time, such as your hours of operation, your mailing address, phone, office location, etc. Let's go back to the Profile module now. Let's search for Roane County unit. Now we see that the office address has been populated for all of the personnel in the Roane County office. If you have a typo, I have a typo here in the location, 200 East Race Street. I spelled street S-T-R-E-E. Simply click Edit. Make your correction. Click Save. And this correction now is populated for every person in the Roane County unit.